Hi there, it's Carol Montero. I'm a mom, an employee turned entrepreneur. I'm originally from India, but I live in Toronto and I'm so proud to be a Canadian. People say I move fast and I have piles of energy, but I'll tell you, I think they're slow. I also love to dance. So if you and I are hanging out together and the music goes, you'll catch me grooving and moving. I also love to meet people and get to know them, just kind of what we're doing right now. I'm nobody special. I'm just a girl whose parents told her to dream and be anything she wanted to. And then I met this guy who did the same. So guess what? I did. So I taught myself to photograph, write copy, create eye-catching content, create marketing strategies for small businesses, from funnels to websites, social media, email marketing, and everything in between. And today, I'm passing my parents' message on to you. Follow your heart, teach yourself, learn from your mistakes, be the person you want to be, ask for help, and become anything you want to be. So what is it you are going to get from you and I being online friends? Well, I share weekly marketing advice and strategies and social media tips. I create content that you, if you're planning to start a business, could totally benefit from. You will get tons of mindset advice, something to match your mindset to your ambition, something to get you from where you are to where you want to be. Imagine what it would be like to let go of your fears, your doubts, your insecurities, and push through your dreams without worrying what other people's opinions are about you and what you're doing. Just for sticking around and making it this far in the video, I would like to share a secret with you. That which you resist will become your greatest strength if you let it. Stop caring about what people have to say and start listening to your heart and find your purpose. Leave an impact, and then you can pursue what you're passionate about in life. I'm so happy and so appreciate you being here. Leave me a comment so I can personally say hello to you.